Hey guys, it's me Phil. How we doing? Hope you're having a good day. If you follow me on YouTube or Instagram, you'll know that I've started doing bird feeding. Got a nice little setup. Normally get doves and starlings visiting my little bird feeder. What I thought I'd do today is I'll show you what I actually feed them. Let's go. We need these tubs. We need that. That's a little bit low, so I might need more of that. That there. That there, we need one of those and some of these. That's 3. Okay. So the first thing, dried mealworms. Lovely. Birds love these apparently. So what we'll do, a little bit in there. You'll see why I've got 3 tubs in a second. I've put that in the wrong tub. But never mind, it's all good. Then, Suet pellets. Pretty similar to them, but this is just the pellets on their own. So, a little bit more in there. Whoops, a little bit of escape. I need to sort this bag out. A little bit in there. And there. And also some nice seed mix. So again, bit in there, bit in there. Oh, that's not too bad. No, we'll get that sorted. Shut the bag shortly. So, fat balls, coconut filled fat ball mix with seed and whatever. Seed, mealworm, suet pellets, and all that kind of. So what we do is, we've got one for the pigeons on the top, one for the, what I like to call UFO bird feeder, and then there's 2 little small bird feeders where the pigeons can't get in. So that's why I've got all that. So right, let's take it outside, we'll get them filled up and get these birds fed. Another thing as well, I've just crushed up the fat balls because the feeder, where it goes in, it can be a bit difficult for it to get them in. So yep, no problem there. Right, we'll fill these up. Now the funny thing is, we already have one waiting, so this will be interesting. Okay, put them down there. So, that goes on there. So, that goes in there. I don't put too much in for the pigeons. Can I help you? Can I at least fill it up first? Okay. So, take that off there, fill that up there. This is for the little birds. Put that on there. Then with this, we need that one. You can hear the pigeons already starting to assemble. And these are where the crushed up fat balls go. Now it doesn't matter if any spills, because it's all going to be done anyway. Okay, so we have pigeons just sussing out whether it's safe to come down. They're all sat on my house as well. I would say give it 5 minutes, they will be coming down. So we'll cut here until we're ready. I don't know if you can see there, a load of birds waiting. I think they're the starlings. Oh, hang on. We may have visitors. I missed that. It's not quick enough, but we may have visitors shortly. Now, interest is peaked. Normally what happens is one pigeon... Oh no, still not sure. Come on birdies, we've done this before. We know there's free food. Right, here we go. I've changed positions. I think they could see me. So, yeah, like I said, when one starts, they all start. So there'll now be probably a bit of a fight because it's only a small table. And there they go. So we've got two on the table and the rest are just wandering around the ground because there is a few bits of seed on the floor. But I didn't do too much today. So let's see how those two go. And hopefully we'll get a few small birds later. Got another try it. Meanwhile, we've got a lot of them just pacing around at the moment, looking for stuff on the floor because they're normally used to that. Here we go. Now, another little bit of a fight going on. I've got a little grey bird there. I think it's another pigeon, but I'm not sure. I really need to learn about these birds if I'm going to do this. But no. So they've realised now that they can't get into the little feeders. This is why I've set that up how I have. I've put it far enough away so the pigeons can't land on the things like that and reach in. I think as it gets down to the last scraps, that's when the fights will happen more. Oh look, there we go. A lot of seed gets thrown on the floor as well, so you've got your hangers on down there. Now I missed it, but they all just flew off. I think here we go, they're coming back. Yeah, something startled them, so they all just disappeared. Here we go. Beautiful white pigeon there. Look. So they must be down to the last bits of seed and feed in that tray, because they've been going at it for about 10 minutes now. That was my can, sorry. Just having a can. Yep, we're down to the last scraps now, they're digging into the corners. Here we go. I've moved to a different position. See if we can get a bit of a closer shot. I was hoping we'd have some more starlings, but they're not really turning up at the moment. See how this goes. And we just had a starling turn up. Yep, straight to the fat balls. And she's off again. Zoom out a bit. Neighbours are back. Yep, give it a second. Yep, there we go. Now the neighbours are back. They'll be out in the garden because it's a nice day. The pigeons will be scared off, so I'll leave it there. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.